Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to easily change this fingerprint animation in any Android phone. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, we have to install an app. So go to your Play Store and search for Fingerprint Live Animation. And here you have to install this app, Fingerprint Live Animation. Once the app installed, go ahead and launch the app on your phone. Now tap on Get Started. Tap on Next. And now once you are in this app home screen, select Animations. And here you will find lots of fingerprint animation. You can add any of them from this list. So for example, let's select this animation and okay. And now you have to select a theme. From here, you can select a theme for your lock screen. So I'm selecting this one. And it may take some time to download the theme and animation. Once done, you can change the animation size using this first slider. You can also change position from here. And now just tap on Save and Continue. And tap on Save Now. Now tap on Save and Continue. And tap on Apply Now. And tap on Set Wallpaper. And select here Home Screen and Lock Screen. Once done, I'm going to lock my phone and unlocking my phone again. And as you can see, my fingerprint animation has been successfully changed. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.